All right, so I got this, I bought a 4-blade, and I got it set as high as it'll go. It's on the top hole of it on the inside of the wheel. And this, we're gonna see what we can knock down. I trimmed down some of it a little bit, but just, okay. These are weeds here. A little hard to do it with one hand.
That's funny.
So it still doesn't, it won't cut down the big stuff, but it did thin it out quite a bit. There's Sky. There's Marty. Marty, what's up? Huh? Well, we got it now. So these weeds literally, so it like mowed, it rained for like 3 weeks straight here. That's usually how it rains. And those weeds, because it's like a desert, they have to like grow and germinate within like during the rainy season, because we're like in the desert. So they grow quick, man. That's about the only thing that grows quick. Like those vines, they weren't. I was keeping them back before the rain, but then they've like overtaken the garden. So, I mean, I haven't even planted my garden, but yeah. So that so it can get, if you cut down the smaller twigs, or the ones with the smaller stalks with the weed eater, then you can get them in here with that little 4-blade manual mower set on high, and then mow down the smaller stalks. But like the ones that are real woody, you can't do it. But I thought I'd try. All right. So I came in here and weed eated first, and then I came in with the manual mower and kind of knocked everything else down that I did. All right, thanks for watching.